Welcome to 11th session of Advanced Financial Management, 5th semester BBA of Bangalore University. In this session, let us discuss decision tree analysis. Recap of previous session. In the previous session, we discussed concepts and problem of standard deviation and coefficient of variation. Now let us discuss the concept of decision tree analysis. It is a graphical representation of the relationship between a present decision and future events, future decisions and their consequences. The sequence of events is mapped out over time in a format resembling branches of a tree, and the analysis is known as decision tree analysis. Now let us discuss the steps in decision tree analysis. First one, identification of the problem. Second one, finding out alternatives. Third one, exhibiting the decision tree. Fourth one, specification of probabilities and cash inflows. Fifth one, analysis of alternatives. Now let us discuss a problem on decision tree analysis. A company has made following estimates if the cash flow after tax of the proposed project. The company use decision tree analysis to get clear picture of project's cash inflow. The project cost is rupees 80,000, that is original investment, and the expected life of the project is 2 years. The net cash inflows are for the year 1 cash flows after tax 50,000 with probability 0.6, 60,000 with probability 0.4. Year 2, if cash flows after tax rupees 50,000 is considered as base, then we can assume the further cash flows, that is 24,000 with probability 0.2, 32,000 with probability 0.3, 44,000 with probability 0.5, and cash flows after tax is equals to rupees 60,000. If it is a base, then cash flows after tax is first one 40,000 with probability 0.4, 50,000 with probability 0.5, 60,000 with probability 0.1. Now the firm uses 10% discount rate for this type of investments. Solution: net present value of cash inflows. Combination: cash flow after tax for the year 1. PV factor will be common for all the combinations, that is 0.909, and after that present value of first year. After that cash flows after tax for second year. PV factor will be the same for all the combinations, that is 0.826, and the present value of second year. Now combination A, first year 50,000 into 0.909, present value will be 45,450, which will be the same for combination B and C. B, cash flow after tax 60,000 multiplied with 0.909 will give you 54,540, which will be the same for E and F. Now let us discuss second year cash flow after tax. Combination A, 24,000 into present factor 0.826. The present value will be 19,824. Same B, 32,000 into 0.826, 26,432. Combination C, 44,000 into 0.826, 36,344. Combination D, 40,000 into 0.826, that is 33,040. E, 50,000 into 0.826, 41,300. Combination F, 60,000 into 0.826, that is 49,560. Continuation of the table. Combination A to F, total PV. To get the total present value, here present value of first year and the present value of second year is added. Combination A 65,274, combination B 71,882, combination C 81,794, combination D 87,850, combination E 95,840, combination F 1,04,100. Initial investment as given in the question rupees 80,000. Now to get net present value we have to minus initial investment with total present value, that is combination A 65,274 minus 80,000. NPV will be minus 14,276. B 71,882 minus 80,000, that is minus 8,118. C 81,794 minus 80,000, that is 1,794. D 87,850 minus 80,000, 7,580. E 95,840 minus 80,000, that is 15,840. F 1,04,100 minus 80,000, that is 24,100. After calculating net present value, to get the expected net present value, you have to multiply the NPV with their joint probabilities. Combination A minus 14,276 multiplied with 0.08. The expected NPV for the combination A is minus 1,178. Combination B minus 8,118 into 0.12, that is minus 974. C 1,794 into 0.20, that is 358. D 7,580 into 0.24, that is 1,819. E 15,840 into 0.30, that is 4,752. F 24,100 into 0.06, that is 1,446. Now the total expected net present value is rupees 6,223. Conclusion: the project yield positive net present value at 10% discount rate. The project is said to be accepted. Thank you. Have a nice day.